We are in Ormos Panagia with northeast wind, and as you can see there is no protection. On the other side there is a private marina. You can dock on the north quay where there really isn't any protection from this northeast wind. And here with the town, in the town marina, it's a little bit better there, but in both marina there is electricity and water, but you have to buy a card from Nikiti, because here nobody is coming. You have to take the bus if you don't have a car and go there, buy the card, and after that you can use it. We managed to take some water from a boat charter who was in the top of the hill of that marina. We had to put more hoses in order to take water. And this is leaving. I hope our anchor is safe. And here is also electricity and water. Water is closer and you can take it, I saw you can take it for free, no card needed. But the electricity is far from here. Anyway, we don't have the card because in the weekend they don't work in Nikiti. I can't remember where was our anchor, what the distance, and I hope it's not so far. Otherwise we'll be dragged. Our chain is safe. I believe we are safe. And probably we leave today in a safe place. Back to Diaporos. Ah, super. We have water. So this is free. And here is another tap with free water. And here is the electricity pillar, and there is another one on that side, on the other side. Yeah. Looks new. But here are all the charter boat or trip boats. Even here the depth is okay for a 2 meters draft. You can stay here. This is another pillar. And on this side the depth is smaller than 2 meters and there are only fishing boats. It's a small town.